Hey guys, Scott with No Budget Homestead, and today I thought I'd just share with you some of the seeds that we're going to be planting and everything. And please ignore the girls and all their squawking. They just think they're getting a treat and they get real loud when they don't get one. That would be Blackie. Yeah. So what I want to do is show you some of the stuff that I'm looking at planting, okay? And because they hear the crinkling, they think they're getting a treat, which they're not. Not yet, at least. Alright, I went to Seeds for Generation. I had a really good coupon for, I think, 25% off my order. And so I went ahead and ordered quite a bit of seeds. And I'll go ahead and show you each one. And then I've also, from, where did I get this from? From Southern Seed Exchange, I've also gotten some herbs seeds also that I want to try, okay? Ooh, that sun just came out. It's awfully bright. So let me show you the different seeds and everything, okay? All right, the first one are bush beans. Okay, these are heirloom seeds. So we got 25 seeds there. That should be more than enough just for little man and I. The other one is something I've never planted before, broccoli. Okay, I don't know if you can see that up close there, but it's a pretty nice little picture, kind of faded actually. But I've never planted broccoli before, so I don't know if it's the right season for it or not, but we're going to read the directions and see when I get the raised beds done. Alright, I went ahead and, because we eat a lot of carrots, I went ahead and got me 2 of the Scarlet Nantes, whatever. I'm not very good with that. But I got me 2 packs of those. Okay, there's about 250 seeds in each one here, so that's not bad. And then to mix it up, seeing I love carrots so much, we went ahead and got a rainbow mix. Little man's looking forward to trying the purple ones and the yellow ones. See if they taste different. So hey, anything to get him to want to eat more veggies, right? Right. Alright, now for cucumbers, I always like to get like the pickling type, because I may get a bug up my butt and pickle some. Last time I grew cucumbers a few years ago, they did not come out well. Oh, the sun's coming back out. It's probably washing it out. I'm sorry, guys. Gonna put some shade there. But these are really good cucumbers when they grow in well. Now, of course, my garlic and onions are doing real well, but I thought I'd go ahead and give the Yellow of Parma onion seeds a try. Okay, and try those. I've never had luck with seeds, but I figured I'd try it. Now, I'm not a big fan of tomatoes, but these are the beefsteak tomatoes, and little man loves these tomatoes, so we went ahead and got some of those. Maybe I'll try some sauces or something in the future if I can get them to grow properly, okay? And then what everyone loves, especially here in the South during the hot summers, Sugar Baby watermelons. Yeah, those bad boys are going to be good. I just don't know where I'm going to plant those yet. Alright, well that was the vegetable seeds and everything. Now let me show you what herbs I got from, oh shoot, what was the name again? Southern Exposure Seed Exchange, okay? And I'll show you these and talk a little bit about them, okay? Alright, the first one is called Feverfew. Okay, I think I may have some of these or chamomile growing wild on the hillside in the front part of our property. Okay, it's a good medicinal herb, and I thought I'd give a try at growing them. Okay, and on the back it tells you a little bit more about the seeds and everything, and also how to plant them and everything. And these are all organic seeds. Now here I also got, which I found out was a little more expensive, St. John wort. Okay, I understand that's a really good herb to grow and really good to have. Okay, and I'm looking forward to trying these out. And then the last one that I got, I only got 3 because I'm not very familiar with herbs. These are Encinia purpurea, purple coneflower. Now I can say purple coneflower, it's the other stuff I have a hard time with. Okay, and these also are organic, and I understand these are awesome herbs if you know what to do with them. I don't, but it's a learning experience. Alright guys, I just thought I'd share this with you. This is some of the stuff that I'm looking at planting once I get the raised beds done. The herbs, I think I'm just going to put in like a long container and put it on the back porch and everything to where they get some sun, or whatever it tells me it needs, I'll do. I really want to try out the herbs and everything, kind of get a little bit more healthier, because, you know, gotta get rid of some of this muscle. There we go. Between the veggies and this and other ways that we're looking at feeding ourselves here on the homestead, besides going to Wally World. But I just thought I'd share this with you guys. If you have any questions or comments about the seeds or the herbs, where I got them and everything, I'll see about putting links below to these two different companies that I'm using. So I'm really looking forward to getting these planted in there and see how they do in the raised beds. I'm not going to do like put them in little itty bitty things. I'm just going to put them right in the ground and see how they do in the raised beds, okay? Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for sticking around with us and everything. Still kind of new at this, so please put any questions or comments below, suggestions on how best to handle these, plant these seeds and everything, because I do want to learn from you guys and also want it to be successful. So, but thanks again for hanging out with us. Y'all have a simply unbelievable day, and we'll see you on the next video.